Hey guys, in this video we'll try to analyze the output of an LTI system. We consider discrete system here, discrete LTI system. Okay, so we'll take up a simple input signal to the system and a simple impulse response. So let input to the LTI system be x of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, and the sample at n equal to 0 is 2. Okay, and impulse response of LTI system be h of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, and sample at n equal to 0, let it be at 1. Find output y of n of a LTI system, or they might ask find convolution sum of input and h of n of an LTI system. Okay, output of an LTI system is nothing but finding convolution sum. So solution, what we do now, we split up the input signal. Okay, so x of n, I can write it as 1 times delta of n plus 1 plus 2 times delta of n plus 3 times delta of n minus 1 plus 2 times delta of n minus 2. How did I write this sequence? You just refer my prerequisite videos. Okay, and we retain h of n as it is. H of n is what? 1, 2, 3, and we call this as x1 of n, we call this as x2 of n, we call this as x3 of n, and we shall call it as x4 of n. So when I add x1 of n, x2 of n, x3 of n, x4 of n, I should get x of n back, right? So basically what we are doing is we take x1 of n and feed it to a LTI system, okay, with impulse response which is given is this LTI system has an impulse response h of n, and we find what is the output y1 of n. Okay, for the same LTI system we feed x2 of n, which is this, and we try to get y2 of n. Okay, and for the same system we feed ... up to x4 of n, and we say what is, we try to find what is the last output, which is y4 of. Okay, at the end we add this individual output sequence, which is our y of n, which is equal to y1 of n plus y2 of n plus y3 of n plus y4 of n. So this y of n will be our output of a LTI system. Okay, so we'll take up this problem in the next video.